to the real sense. And with due thanks to the volunteer who is going to help us in recording the same. I will not be going through complete paper since the most of the things are already discussed. That way I will be briefing the part. The title of my study is Technology, New Media and ELT, English Language Teaching. And the topic covers the wide range of study and most of the points are already discussed. My approach is a bit more theoretical and less practical. What I did, the research is more, you can say in a way, practical part is there, but it is not as extensive as my other faculty colleagues, they, you can say, investigated in their institution. But this is the way, like considering the need that the threshold of new millennium is witnessing pivotal changes inducted by technology in every walk of life, where the emergence of new media is redefining lifestyle at both the personal as well as on the professional front. ELT no longer remain an aloof and secluded teaching domain. Rather, day by day, ELT classrooms are getting modernized and becoming more lively by the nascent technological and new media stimulants. May it be curriculum framework or teaching learning practice, the holistic pedagogical sphere of ELT has been overhauled during last few decades. And English Language Lab has already been adopted and assimilated in routine classroom practice and proving its present practical significance. Teaching telegram writing are stories of yesterday. Effective telephonic skills, messaging and drafting emails are very much in practice of present day, whereas e-bulletins, e-blogging will be futuristic requirements. In such scenario, it is imperative to think pragmatically of the trichotomic equilibrium of technology, new media and ELT. The studies focuses on that. We were talking about very few minutes back about first gen computer users. So far as media jargon is concerned, we present generation who are born after 1995, they are now termed as Generation Z citizens. And their feature is they are restless. They need every response in no time. And that way, and before 95, the generation was different, Gen Y. So Gen Y was a bit patient. For that, I think everywhere new media is the basic requirement, prerequisite, and to adding it in the classroom, or even if we are restricting it in the classroom, they will not be interested at all in the classroom education, because by the time they are entering in the classroom, they will develop a distaste for the routine classroom teaching learning practice, and the problem begins from there. If his half of the heart is in Google or in mobile or in Facebook or in WhatsApp, so how will he be facing that problem, or how will he be attending the same? So the introduction part focuses on it, that if language teaching is a challenge, coming to ELT part, if language teaching is a challenge, second language teaching is a bigger challenge. And technology complicates life. Technology complicates, whereas new media sophisticates human life, human sphere. Then the threshold of new millennium is witnessing all these changes that we have said, and new media as catch-on umbrella. Let us see the definition of new media. As catch-on umbrella encompasses all form of communicating in the digital world, including publishing on CDs, DVDs, and most significantly over the internet. Additionally, through new media, users obtain the desired information and material via desktop and laptop computers, small phones and tablets, and including phablets, newly coming. So there are many definitions, and new methods of communicating are there. Let us say one more thing I would like to say about ELT. I am a bit jumping here and there, so things are, you can say, not in too much sync. Uh, I would like to quote one lecture by N. Krishna Swami. In one of his speeches, he said, and this is really wonderful. I wanted to quote it in yesterday's symposium, but I was not allowed. English has become the world's way of communicating. English has become the world's way of communicating internationally, whether we like it or not, and interculturally. Just as Christian calendar is the world's way of tracking time now. We do have a calendar of our, you can say, own system, but we track time through via Christian calendar, tracking time, and as the Indo-Arabic numerals are the world's way of counting. So we need to accept the reality. Somewhere we need to, at the end of the day, we need to be realistic. And then in that scenario, what problems are there to be faced with? And here stating the problem, I would like to say, on the science of time, it is boldly written fact that the days are numbered when the whole academic world will be heralded by new media. And consequently, academician will have to start looking at e-resources as change agent. They have to start looking at e-resources as change agent. The dialogue will be centering on information ethics in the age of information and communication technology, ICT, and the stakeholders of academics will have to come up collectively on the teaching learning platform for researching and excavating strategies to bridge up the industry institute gulf in South Asian higher education system, and as well as for the rest of the world. In such scenario, global as well as local world will demand a global language to meet out the skyrocketing wishes of and demands of the communicating requirements of liberalization, privatization and globalization. Undoubtedly today, by exhibiting its coping ability and worldwide receptivity, only English has been able to establish itself as the fitful language with enough potential to cater to the emerging needs of mankind in new millennium. Then moving forward, this is the problem that whether we like it or not, English is the world's way of communication. We have to accept the fact. And in a way, we need to look at, like here we were focusing on Generation Z. Literature review, I have studied so many papers and came across so many journals and books even published. Even two of them are published from LAP Germany, and so many books. And even I visited the website of MIT. I see their syllabus, how they are, what they are teaching, and how they are teaching. So